Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question number 14. So we're still using the same instruction to answer this question, looking out for a word among the list of options that has the same vowel sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter. The given word, as people call it, is half, but that is wrong pronunciation. It is pronounced as F a car. So that is the correct pronunciation, F. Then option A, it is pronounced as about. About. The option B is pronounced as card, long a card. Remember that we have short a and long a, card. The option C is pronounced as clerk, not clerk, clerk. So it is also long a. Clerk. The option D is pronounced as N. Option D is pronounced as N. That is the N vowel sound. There is no short or long for this particular sound. The option E is pronounced as quartz sound. Then this is long O sound. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.